I'm 16. I'm in the automotive program here at the FRC. We work on cars and different things. This is actually my car. I grew up with my dad doing automotive stuff all the time.
Yeah.
And so I was like, that's what I want to do when I grow up. I want to be a technician. So when I saw the program, I was like, that's exactly what I want to do.
What year is this car?
It's a 74 Chevy Cheyenne.
Wow.
So I always talk about wanting one. It was like a dream of mine.
Yeah.
And my dad called me in middle school and he goes, there's this dude that's selling a square body. I'm leaving in 30 minutes. I'm gonna come pick you up.
You're like, okay.
We drove it home half running, barely made it home. It didn't start after we got it home. And then that's when we started. We took everything out of wiring and rebuilt it. And this thing didn't run or drive for months on end because we were rebuilding the whole thing.
That is incredible. What would your advice be to a student who is really interested in something and is figuring out their passion?
Just find any way you can get into it. I mean, I grew up going to car shows. I would spend all my time researching cars that I liked or researching things that I work on the cars because my dad has knowledge about these cars, but I just strive to find more information all day, every day, talking through it with my dad. In school, I do projects over my car. Whatever I'm doing, I always just try to bring it back to myself.
Oh, that's really, really good. And if it's not your parent, finding a mentor, someone who does it. I'm big on like send an email to someone who inspires you and like see if they'll like talk with you and answer your question.
These gentlemen take a student, intern, apprentice, and they try to pass not only the skill set, but we try to pass that passion down to them as well. It's their job to make sure, one, he's safe, and that he has the training that he needs to become a world-class technician.
They're really learning everything that they need to be able to go into the work field and like be completely perfect.
Yeah, to be really job ready. They're actually very successful. It makes my heart happy to see that these kids can go straight to the workforce, go to work, and start producing and start pushing cars in and out of the areas. It's your choice, your career path. You choose this, and there's money to be made.
I love doing this. This is my passion. I go to car shows every single weekend. I'm always in automotive before, during, after school. We had a project for physics that I welded up a catapult for. I get to use my skills and what I've learned in welding for that. And then I get to use our shop as resources.
When you have the passion to chase your career, you're going to do your very best at whatever career, and the CTE department has those pathways. And this right here will set you up for success.
If you have a student or you have someone you know that is interested in not only automotive, but just in a skill, talk to your counselors, talk to your CTE teachers. Don't just go, well, it'll come to me. No, if you want this, you have to go out and get it, right? Just like Brody did. He wanted this class. He could have just sat back and said, oh, well, I'll get it next year. We didn't want to wait a year. He went out, he talked to his counselors, he talked to his parents, and they're the ones who did it. And he talked to us. This kid right here, he's done amazing things. Reach out to your counselors, reach out to your CTE teachers, ask those questions. And when you do that, man, you're gonna be here. You're gonna be working on classic cars, you'll be working on newer cars, you'll be working on older cars, and maybe even something like our electric car where you can build that and have a sense of pride with that.
You learn so much. Anyone can get to that point, but you just have to start. Especially since you are so young, it shows there are really no limits to what you can do or what you can learn when you apply yourself. Learn as much as you can, like you said, and just like go for it.